was just this huge, amazing mess of humanity on the street, you know.
The future of Poland really required that Poland would be free.
There was a sense of community, and that community included everybody.
Chicago was really the city of the century, of the 19th century. It was the fastest growing city in the world.
There's this sort of, capitalism gone wild. There's this massive competition to get bodies by getting closest to the mill, because it was the biggest producer of dead people in the neighborhood.
Support was not just in words, it was not just in money, but it was in blood.